rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple drop.
Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. I just woke up. Paige is still sleeping. Good morning, sunshine. Can you see me in the reflection? No, you can't.
Hey, I'm cutting up my bagel.
Why'd you say it like that?
Are you gonna toast your bagel or are you gonna eat it raw?
Only psychopaths eat raw bagels.
Hey, I've been wearing the same shirt for the last 4 days.
All the leaves are brown.
All the leaves are brown.
All the leaves are brown.
All the leaves are brown. In the kitchen cooking a blaze stir fry. Ew. You're supposed to eat this time.
The butter's cold.
Oh no. Maybe it's because you took it out of the fridge. I'm gonna be putting this on my bagel. Weirdo. Weirdo.
You do tighten that off.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. Okay, my bagel's done.
Such a good fiance.
Hey.
Not us getting ready to take pictures again. But it is snowing a lot harder.
Hey, oh, cute.
It fell in the puddle. Stop it! Stop!
Hey, we're going.
Hey, we're going to Savers to drop off some donations and then we're going to the mall.
I'm scared of
Oh, it's so gross out. Oh. Oh, it's windy too.
Hey. I'm so tempted to get him, but he's $6.
But like 20%.
Hey, I'm just realizing how gross I am. Oh, I literally have this jacket.
I got a photo album. Okay. So I'm gonna do a haul. I got this really long skirt, just like plaid and pleated, so I'm gonna cut it. And then I got this blue one, which is also long and pleated, that I'm also gonna cut so it's not old lady-ish. And then I got this sweater that I could pair with the blue skirt, I figured, with like a white shirt, like a mock neck. Then I got this photo album. I got this corduroy skirt. And then I got these really cute Tims.
So I got the black dog. Right? Didn't we walk in this store and we're like, I can't afford this, right?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Right? $4. And then, I'm really excited for this. Nice little old vintage Yukon crew neck. And then, I got this because the color is really freaking cute.
Columbus Zoo?
Yeah! And then I got this Las Vegas t-shirt.
Lotus.
I just think it's cool. And that's it.
Hey guys, I'm at Walmart now because I have to go get a tail light. There's a line and it's literally 30 degrees outside, so okay, I got a snow brush and I got my lights, but now I'm walking back to my car and I'm terrified that I'm gonna get hit by a plow because when I was waiting in line, like 3 people almost got hit by a plow.
Yeah, what do you want to do? Get my phone.
Oh, where'd you go?
There. Nope, right there.
doing? What are you doing? Guys, that's it for day 5. If this video big thumbs up, be sure to comment and leave your favorite part of the video. Be like, hit the big red subscribe button down below. Let me see what you want to. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.